rainfall overnight, and Laura is expected to intensify before making rainfall between Texas and Louisiana. Hey guys, welcome. This is the update on the Marco and Laura. Marco made landfall, and we're watching Laura. She's a Category 1 as of last night. Wind 75 miles per hour, pressure is 990, wind gust 92, ground speed is 16, winds from the west northwest at 290. It's 585 miles southeast of Lake Charles, Louisiana. Here's this is the projection of the storm. It's gonna become a Category 3 before it hits the Texas and Louisiana border. Like I said, the winds sure pick up quite a bit. You can tell right here. It's beautiful. We'll zoom back out. This is probably Laura right here, not Laura, Marco. That low out there. I only see Marco, so I think actually he's right here. No, that's not. Sorry about that. Okay, we can go ahead zoom out at the whole map. Nothing going on really. Oklahoma got clear weather, but I did want to show you something down here. Had an earthquake down here. Magnitude 6. Then you got another one over here. 5.5. Another one over here. 5.6. Look at California and see if we got anything over here. No earthquakes reported in California. Okay, but anyhow, this is gonna be the track right here, guys. We'll go ahead and zoom back in. Here's the times and dates. Okay, it's gonna be right here on the 27th. 8/27/2020 at 12 a.m. It'll be right in here. So we're expecting to make landfall on the 27th. We're gonna go to local radar or fast for Oklahoma. Actually, we look at Louisiana, New Orleans area. We're gonna go ahead and switch radars over a little bit. So what we have over here. I think this is Marco right here. Let's see if I can find the span. I believe this is the Marco. Move the radar over one more notch. I think it touched down around here like yesterday. Yeah, that must be Marco. That's the leftovers from Marco. Go ahead and click on this one. This one should give us more detail, I think. Okay, anyhow, this is pretty much the leftovers from yesterday and overnight. Marco, we'll go ahead and blow that up a little bit so you can see what's going on and zoom in. Just a bunch of rain, flash flooding, flood watch, more likely. And here's a flash flood warning right in here. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and zoom out to Oklahoma radar. My wife is cooking some eggs. That sounds pretty good. We'll get ready to eat breakfast. But I figured jump on real fast and give you an update on the weather. Oklahoma's all clear. We are expected to be clear for the next several days. We got changes, slight chances coming in for the south. I think it was southern Oklahoma, Wednesday and Thursday. So we're gonna kind of keep an eye on it. Let me bring up the actual weather for my area. It's gonna be a minute. It's gonna be 1 minute, guys. Okay, this is from the National Weather Service. Thank you for letting me use your webpage. This is the official weather forecast for Stillwater, Oklahoma, Northeast Oklahoma. We got pretty much this is what's going on today. Humidity 50%. Right now, winds from the south at 5. Pressure is 30.07. Dew point is 64. Heat index 86. Okay, updated at 9:53. Here's the forecast for the rest of the week. Thursday, we got a slight chance of thunderstorms Thursday night. And both days it's 20%. Friday and Saturday. Saturday we got the greatest percent chance of storms. We'll go down here. We're going to click on satellite real fast. Use the satellite from them. If it loads up, it's going to be a minute or two. We can go ahead. Okay, here we go. Take a look at the satellite. Here's the hurricane. This is Laura. She's a category 1. This is Marco right in here, it looks like. Got a little spin here. But that's what we're going to continue watching this for y'all. We're going to go ahead and jump back to the I closed it out. We can go ahead and just 1 second, let's see if we can. We can go ahead and end this video. Don't forget to click and subscribe, click the notification bell. This is Charles signing off. Thanks for watching. See you next time.